Welcome to IBC 2025. This year we bring together our global media, technology and entertainment clients, showcasing their groundbreaking innovations right here in Amsterdam. Well, IBC 2025, I'm here at the AEQ stand with Peter. Lovely to see you, Peter.
Nice to see you.
Thanks for talking to us this morning. The buzz is building here. Tell us a little bit about the company. Give us a bit of background and your position in the market.
Okay, this company is close to 45 years of age. We've been around since end of the 70s, so early 80s.
Okay, so you've seen a lot of change.
Yeah. I joined the company back in 93, and I've been with the company on and off since then. I've done a couple of stints outside the company as well. Yeah.
And you're Madrid based, so you didn't have too far to come.
No. I didn't have to go that far this time, thank you.
So tell us a little bit about trends in the market. What are you seeing? What are customers asking for?
Well, this is typically a show for the traditional broadcasting markets, but this is also transitioning now into different verticals. We have different markets and so on and so forth. And the companies really have to change now, and we need to follow the trends with the customers. We need to be more innovative in terms of production and the way we have our workflows set up. Artificial intelligence is of course there, cloud-based, it's been for the last 10 years now, no problem. But we need more and more to follow the industry and how radio and TV is or media in general is handled.
And how do you go by doing that?
Well, we saw maybe 5-6 years ago that the trend was shifting a lot, and traditional product like mixing and studio and central control products, they're more and more becoming cloud-based systems. And our systems are now more and more cloud-based, and we're beginning to look at artificial intelligence as well. So yeah, it's going that way.
And sorry to cut across.
Yeah, and then of course we see production now in audio specifically as something that needs communication. So all our communication products are going more and more into different vertical markets of the audio-video production. So media in general, basically.
And is visual radio something that you're looking at?
Radio, absolutely, yes. And then, of course, strange things to people that are older like myself, like esports and all these online gaming apps and stuff like that. That's more and more where we're looking in to have production communication systems.
So you've seen over the last, 45, 50 years that you've got to stay ahead of the curve. What are you showcasing today?
Right, well, we have a new platform, a new communication platform that is called Solaris, and we have a multicodec system. We've been showing it for a couple of years now, and now this Solaris platform is also, we've evolved the sister IP talk show systems. We've evolved that also into that platform, so we can grow dynamically in terms of size and studios and production facilities. So yeah, it's more and more in that sense. And then we have, of course, the Smart Talk system, which is RTC systems. There are cloud-based codec systems, so journalists can use their traditional cell phones and smartphones to call in and use them as audio codecs. Stuff like that, more and more coming. Yeah. Our intercom systems are more and more cloud-based as well. So we have cloud services for our speak systems.
So it's easier for crews to stay connected.
Yeah, and we can actually have a headquarter in Rome talking to a team that is in Japan with a flight pack, and that's it. So,
wow. And how are your changes being received by customers in the industry?
No, it's positive. It's really positive. And we're moving into markets that are not traditional broadcast markets. We're moving into engineering markets as well. We have, for example, offshore companies that needs to coordinate their offshore traffic for platforms and boats using intercom systems as well.
Wow, so different industries. And talk to me then, you touched on it there, the future. Where is the future?
Oh God, I wish I knew. If we knew.
We'd be wealthy if we knew that, wouldn't we?
Exactly. No, I think it's where we are now. It's we see the tendencies with AI, cloud, of course. Simplify the workflows as much as possible, and rely on AI to simplify those. That can be very interesting. I think that's where we really need to focus.
Sometimes it's small adaptations, small tweaks, listening to what the customer wants and delivering.
That is true. So we need to listen to them more and more and more, of course, and we need to have new young people on board as well in the company. So we're also renewing our staff, sort of by natural by natural causes, of course. But more and more young people with new ideas and new ways of thinking, and also to get closer to the actual users and see how they are using the technology. Because if we can see how they are using the technology, we can also see where we need to be.
And that is so key. Well, listen, enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you so much for your time today, Peter. It's been great to chat to you.
It's been a great pleasure to chat to you, so thank you.